What's up, witches? This is Eisen. Today's video is about making clothing, because this obviously is not freaking doing it for me. I hate dressing like a normal person. I find it really freaking annoying. I don't wiggle my tongue for it at all. So I'm just gonna get to sewing. These are my designs, and as you can see, I've sketched the Imbu logo here, because that's gonna go on a piece down there. A lot of these are inspired by things I saw on Wish and by Imbu clothing, because I've been on there a lot. Now obviously I don't freaking live in LA or anything, but as it's getting really sunny, I'd really like more crop tops, since I only have 3 and I'm planning to get rid of one because it's just freaking see-through. It's very cheap fabric. I really hate synthetic fabric. It is just awful. Reference, I have my best fitting shirt, which is an Odd Future shirt I got for a few bucks at a garage sale. I'm pretty sure it's not official merchandise. One of my favorite crop tops, Streetwear Society from Urban Planet. Unfortunately, I'm not sure where my absolute favorite crop top is, but thing is, it's just the length that matters, so I'm just gonna make that with the size of that. I'm not sure what the hell's on here. It either looks like weed or cardboard, but either way, there's probably a reason why this was on clearance. I got this whole sheet of fabric for $3. So it's probably been in some disgusting places, but that's probably true for the rest of this stuff, because I found it in the basement. I figured it out. I flipped it over because it was attached on this side and on that side. So it's just a big old fabric loop. It's an infinity scarf, but extra wide. So I suppose that's why it was on clearance. That doesn't matter. This shirt doesn't have any seams on the sides anyway, so on one side it's just not gonna have a seam, but I guess the other side will. Yo. Alright, so my least favorite part of sewing is done. I've used the chalk. It's not even real fashion chalk, it's frickin' sidewalk chalk. Remember when I told you about that, boyo? The fashion chalk?
Yeah.
Cut. Right now, I'm using my tiny serger to serge the arm flicker. I have to twist it by hand because the lady I bought it off of did not know where the foot pedal was.
Sleeve.
I had created the shirt, and this side is epic, but the other side, however, is an epic frickin' fail, so I think I'm just gonna cut it off and make this into a one-shoulder crop top. I already had to take the shoulders in. This one worked, this one didn't. I made 3 different types of spaghetti straps. My compliments to the chef. It went a little different than I expected, but I did the straps. We got a little braid there. It's the diggity.
Wow, my legs are so sore.
Ooh, leg.
From Viking to my place?
Obviously, I'm gonna have to redo this, as this one looks so much nicer next to it, and I just can't bear washing that, so I'm using this.
Inkjet printer onto this special paper that you get from Joann's or Michael's, and then you put it down onto the fabric and you iron it onto the fabric. Design, because you can print anything you want off onto that.
I just sewed the hems, and this is the end of the shirt. It has taken way too long for me to finish this video due to personal reasons, but this is it. I think I made it way too freaking girly, what with this. I think it would have just been nicer without the three stripes getting braided together. That's just me showing off. So that's it. I'll be making the shorts soon, hopefully, along with a bunch of other clothes. Eyes out.